Let's solve the Kangaroo question 2019 for grade 5 and 6. Question number 10. Question number 10. Michelle paints the following building. Which of the following need the most paint? What does it mean? We need to color these shapes, but one of them has a lot of faces or number of faces more than the other. The difference between all of these faces is that line. This is the difference between them. So just we will count, or we will check which one has more number of faces. For example, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8. And here, let's imagine we have a face from here and one from the opposite side, and one here and one here. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is 8. By the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we have 1 from the other side, 1 up, 1 down. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here, let's count them. We have 1 from this side, 1 from up, 1 from this side, and 1 from here. This is 4. The same here. 1, 2, 3, and 1 from the other side, another 4. This is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 faces. So that will take the most paint by counting the face. This question need from you to imagine the other side. How many face? Okay, so here we have 12 face. This need most paint. Thank you.